I made that way too hot. Great. Well, at least it'll be here when I get done my video. Hey guys, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing. This is actually for a tea subscription. Disclaimer, I was sent this for free in exchange for my honest review. I actually have the 3-month subscription, so this is my first month. So this is my first month receiving this box. I probably won't do an unboxing for all of them just because you see one, you see them all, but I'm going to be unboxing Sips by. So they are a, like I said, a tea subscription service where you would go online, take a survey, basically set up a profile, let them know, what kind of teas you're interested in, and you can either, stick with what you know or do like me. And I just decided, you know what, we're just gonna see where this lies. So there's only a few things on there that I absolutely did not want to try. Other than that, I did not realize there were that many options of teas. So I was like, we're just gonna go. So Sips by, again, Sips by personalizes your box. You get about 4 teas every month, and each tea sample that they sent, you get 15 plus cups per box, and it costs $15 a month. You can cancel at any time. So this is the box you will receive. I almost hit myself in the face, y'all saw that? Open it up, Sips by, and from obvious reasons, I'm already testing out some of the teas. I've been holding on to this for like 2 weeks, and I'm like, I need to record, I want the tea, so I finally caved. So your first box, you get it, I think they said 2 to 3 weeks after you place your order, and then after that, any continuing boxes, you'll get it the same time every month. So this month came with October teas, their handle and everything, their website, and then a little personalization. It says made for Noria, and then it gives you a description of all the teas that are included in the box, as well as any codes or anything, so you can go buy the teas yourself. So this is what I got. So we're just gonna kind of go through these, and yeah. So the one I'm drinking right now is the Kenya Organic Green Tea. It's from Algeria Tea. I'm probably mispronouncing that, but this one is their green tea. I also love that, like, there's instructions on here, because not all teas are made the same. So yeah, and I definitely overboiled mine, because I should have looked at the temperature and I didn't. So oh well. So 1 tea bag per 8 ounces, steep for 2 to 3 minutes, low caffeine. So low caffeine, that was this one, and they sent, so take these out so they don't make all that noise. So of the green teas, they sent me 4. So I get 4 teas of that, 4 samples of that. The next one, we have the Organic David's Breakfast Blend. I want to say that one's a loose tea, yes. So this is the Organic David's Breakfast Blend, Classic, Bold, and Rich. It says perfect scoop is 1 to 2 spoonfuls. It is high in caffeine and 2 to 5 minutes to steep. Oh, it's organic too. Or I read that it was organic, and I didn't click that it was organic. But this is their breakfast blend. I love breakfast blend teas. I try to get more into coffee, but 1, ain't nobody got time to run to the bathroom as soon as you take your first sip, and then 2, coffee doesn't do anything for me. Like, tea is that comfort thing for me, which is why I'm sad that mine is too hot right now. But we got some loose leaf tea. Oh, I guess I didn't say who this was by. This one is by David's Tea. David's Tea. Sips by David's Tea. Golden Milk by Esteta. This is also a loose leaf tea. I am really happy to try this one because golden milk, which means turmeric. So this one has turmeric, ginger, peppercorn, and coconut flakes. Now on my profile, I did kind of say I wanted to stay away from coconuts, but I was open to try new flavors. So I'm excited to give this one a try. This one is a caffeine-free one and infused leaves multiple times. So basically this one is saying when you get done steeping the first one, don't throw it away. You could keep using it. I recently figured that out or learned that by talking to one of the ladies at a local tea shop. She was like, yeah, when you have loose leaf teas, if you're able to like sit it aside and let them dry out, you can reuse them. Granted, the caffeine level is, all the caffeine is going to be in that first cup, but if you want it just for the taste, you can just redo that one. I'm like, do you realize how much tea I've been throwing away that I could have like just been, because sometimes I want tea and I want a specific flavor, but it's like, oh, there's caffeine in it. Problem solved. Oh my gosh. I'm getting sidetracked. The last tea they sent was from the Republica of Tea, and this is the Republican Chai. This is high caffeine, and I've been experimenting with chai tea right now, so I'm trying to figure out what I like. So yeah, I also love that, I don't know if that was an option, I can't remember if it was an option or not, but all of these are organic or non-GMO, or yeah, they're organic and or just non-GMO, which I absolutely love. So I got 4 of those for the green teas. The golden milk, this will at least have this, just the size of this, I say that's probably 4 cups with just the leaves, and even then because you can infuse multiple times. Okay, and then the Breakfast David, I don't know if you can well, if you want the caffeine, that's kind of what Breakfast Blend is for, but yeah. So that's a good amount of tea for one box. Also, because it is loose leaf, and they didn't put it on here, but they sent, which I love, is this cute reusable tea bag, but they also put in a few of the disposable tea bags, which I absolutely love. One, I've been trying to find more reusable ones that I like. The ones I've been seeing so far, I think they're reusable, and then you read the fine print and they're like, nope, disposable. I'm like, oh, okay. But I like that they also included the regular bags, well, because sometimes you just gotta go. And unfortunately, I mean, yes, it's wasteful, but I think these are, I know they're made from recycled material. I don't know if they're decomp, but But yeah, that's pretty much it for this box. I'm super excited to try out all these teas. I already know I love green tea. The Breakfast Blend, I'm really excited for the golden milk. And then the chai tea, I get to play with a little bit. So I'm gonna probably drink it straight with milk and then figure out some other variations. But that is this month's box, or my box. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see the other boxes I get. I will be getting 2 more. Yeah, I don't know if you guys want multiple videos, or if not, doesn't hurt my feelings. I just thought I'd share. There will be a coupon and a discount in the description box where you can get your first box at a cheaper rate. And again, you'll go through the whole profile, pick what teas you want, and you have that option. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it enjoyable, if you liked it. If you didn't like it, let me know in the comments down below. If you could try any of these teas, which one would you be most interested in trying? Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.